Alrighty, push your safety bars up there, push your safety bars up. Please exit to your left foot.
Just for $10 you get
shot, one go, one throw. Knock them down. We set them up, you whack them. We stack them, you pack them, you stuff them, you jam them. Get them down, get them down. That's the name of the game. Knock them down, we set them up, knock them down. Don't miss out, let them go home and go.
Comment down below. Taas. Follow Micah. Follow Papa. Per person. So sa pinaka daredevil activity ay ayan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, ihahagis na sila sa ere. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Siguro nung bata pa, pwede. Pero pag ganitong age na, hindi na kaya. Okay, lakad-lakad. Oh, yan din, oh. Cliffhanger. Nakahang ka talaga. My God.
Yeah, we're gonna fire on this one. Fix the point, that's the brakes, thank you, hold on.
Oh, wow. Taas. Ano? Gusto daw nilang mag-Ferris wheel. Gusto niyo mag-Ferris wheel?
Go to the Ferris wheel, Micah.
Hintayin ko kayo.
Left na tayo.
Ay, hindi ko kaya pa. Alam mo naman. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko na kayang umakyat sa ganyan. Si Johan gusto niya. Huwag mo nang isama si Elia. Okay guys, sakay daw sila ng Ferris wheel. Ano pa?
Lahat na tayo.
Hindi ko makakaya si Ben na
Okay, let's go.
Ano si Elia sa kaming dalawa. Okay. Oh, Johan, go. Papa, mag-video ka.
Micah, you ready? Yan. You ready?
Ferris wheels aren't scary.
They are.
No, they're not.
Scared of heights.
I'm not scared of heights. Then you need to go to
Yeah. Yeah. Did it stop? Yeah. You happy? Yeah. You like it? Guys, in the Ferris wheel! Two people! Yay! Guys, we're in the Ferris wheel. We're afraid of heights! Johan! Where's Mom? Mom! Where's Mom? Micah, are you scared? Mom! Whoa! Oh, it stopped! Oh my God! Where's Mommy? How many rounds? Are we done? How many more? One more! One more, guys! Come here, three of us. Three of us. Yay! Ayun, ano? Yay! Woo! We're flying, guys! Whoa! Oh my God! We're going down! You like it? Yeah, you like it? You like it? Yeah. What? One more. guys, this is as extreme as we can. Woo!
This never ends.
What? This never ends. We're stuck, Johan. We're stuck. We're stuck, guys.
We're never getting out of here. Oh, we're stuck.
How do you go down? How do you go down? How do you go down, Johan? We're stuck. We're stuck. Smile. We're stuck. We're not going down. Johan, we're stuck here. We have to climb down. Oh my gosh. Oh. When will this end? Oh no, this is the highest point. Oh my god, that's too high. Oh, we're stuck! Oh, hello! Look at that! We're stuck here! Whoa, whoa, whoa! We're stuck! Oh my gosh, never ends. Look at him! Hi! Hi! Oh, that's so never doing that. Whoa! You scared?
No.
Shouldn't be. You scared?
No?
You shouldn't be. I'm scared. Yay! Look at this end. Oh my gosh, that's scary. That aviator thing is scary.
We're gonna be off.
Did you like it? Yay! Johan, did you like it? We're off now. Yay!
Okay guys, tapos na silang mag-ferry suite. Hinintay lang namin sila ngayon. Lakad-lakad uli. Lakad-lakad lang uli tayo. Check natin kung ano pa yung meron sa taas. Ben, gusto nyo doon? Pa? Parang roller coaster. Kaya ba nila yun? Kaya nyo yun?
Big prize. $2 $5.
Alright, who's coming up, guys? Yes, to the happy family over there. You're in. You're in. Come on. Yes, you're in. Come on.
$50 cash prize and a $5 over. One sit down, you win the money, guys.
Ay, sorry. Okay. Kaya't lang tayo. At, okay. Woodies Bar. Okay. Tatry daw nila yung parang roller coaster. Mini roller coaster ride. Caterpillar ride. Whee! Kaya nyo? Kaya mo, Ben? Baka 10 yan, sigurado. Ay, ito pa!
Bouncy?
Ayan na, Ben. Sisipan nyo yan. Magkano? 10. Okay, pag-isipan daw nila. Ano? Okay, habang sila'y nag-iisip, check muna natin tong mga sasakyan.
Let's go. Roller coaster.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Sure kayo? Panoorin nyo muna. Okay, panoorin muna natin. Let's observe.
Okay, you want to?
Ayaw. Kayo ni Elia.
You want Elia?
Ayaw niya. Baka magwala. Umiyak yan.
Gano ilang pa rin?
Nilang. Kaya nga, check natin kung ilang round yan. Okay guys, itatry nila itong wacky worm. Para siyang roller coaster pero basic na roller coaster. Okay, let's see how it goes. Silang tatlo ulit. Okay, mga ka-world, ayun na sila. Papasok na sila. Hindi pa pala. Nakapila muna sila. Okay, mga ka-world. Ayan. Sasakay na sila sa Wacky Worm. Kaming dalawa dito ng aking bunso ay naghihintay. Yan, si Elia.
I'm okay with it.
Ayaw niyang sumama. So, silang tatlo muna. Ayoko rin sumama. Hindi ko kaya yung mga ganyang rides. Hindi ko na kaya. Not like before. Pwede pa. Pero talagang iba pala talaga pag tumatanda na. Hindi na kaya yung mga ganyang rides. Madali na akong mahilo. So, sila na lang. See?
Okay.
Diba nakakatuwa? Parang peryahan sa Pilipinas. Pero once in a year lang to. Usually last week ng September or first week ng October. And then 1 week lang siya. So parang nag-start siya noong kailan ba? Hindi ko alam kung kailan exact na nag-start, pero last day is today. Pero yeah, 1 week lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung 7 days siya or 5 days lang. Okay, yan, hintayin natin sila. Then maganda ang panahon guys, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi rin masyadong malamig, kaya perfect mamasyal ngayong araw na to. Okay, hindi pa sila yan, susunod pa. Okay guys, yan na. It's their time to shine. Yan. Okay, sila na yung susunod. Front seat. tapos na mga ka-world. Mukha naman silang nag-enjoy. Okay, tanungin natin mamaya kung na-enjoy nila. Ano, kumusta?
Yun lang yung kaya naming extreme. Yun lang yung kaya naming extreme, guys.
How was the experience, Micah?
The part over there was so fun.
How about you, Johan?
Good.
Good. Okay. Okay, saan tayo? Susunod.
1, 2, 3.